In this video, we'll show you how to set up your Canon imageCLASS MF269 printer on a wireless network with a Mac. Let's get started. Before connecting your printer to the network, confirm that your wireless router is available and properly set up. Also, confirm that your computer is connected to the network. Next, make sure your printer is plugged in and turned on. The main screen will be lit when the printer is on. If the energy saver icon is lit, press it to wake the printer. On the home screen, tap Menu. Tap Network Settings. Select Wireless LAN Settings. When asked if you'd like to enable the wireless LAN, press Yes. Tap OK. Next, select SSID settings. An SSID is your wireless network, also known as a Wi-Fi network. Choose Select Access Point and then select the name of your wireless network. You'll be asked to enter the network password. Press the button at the bottom left of the screen to toggle between capital letters, lowercase letters, and numbers. If your network password contains symbols, press the pound sign on the screen and tap the symbol you need. Please note that you need to be in capital or lowercase letter mode to use the symbol key. Characters can be entered using the number pad. Press each key repeatedly until the desired character appears on the screen. When you've finished entering your password, press Apply. Press Yes. Press the Home button to return to the main screen. Now, let's install the software. Download the installation files from the Canon website by visiting usa.canon.com/support. Follow these links to download the software for your printer. Be sure to download the printer and scanner driver and note their save location. We will use both of these files in this process. Let's start with the printer driver. Open the downloaded file on your computer to get started. Click Continue to start the installation process. The license agreement screen will be displayed. Click Continue. Read the license agreement, and if you agree to the terms, click Agree to continue with the installation. Click Install. When prompted, enter the administrator name and password you used to set up your Mac, and then click Install Software. The software will now be installed. This may take several minutes. When the installation is complete, this message will appear. Click Close. Now we'll add the printer. In your Mac's System Preferences, click Printers and Scanners. Click the plus sign, then Add Printer or Scanner. When your printer appears on the list, highlight it. In the Use drop-down menu, select the Canon printer driver, and then click Add. You should now see your printer on the list. Now, let's install the scanner driver. Open the downloaded file to get started. Click Continue to start the installation process. The license agreement screen will be displayed. Click Continue. Read the license agreement, and if you agree to the terms, click Agree to continue with the installation. Click Install. When prompted, enter the administrator name and password you used to set up your Mac, and then click Install Software. The software will now be installed. This may take several minutes. When the installation is complete, this message will appear. Click Close. On your Mac, go to Applications, and open the Canon MF Scan utility. Press OK. When this screen appears, click the plus sign. Highlight your scanner from the list and click Add. If your scanner appears in the Product Name drop-down menu, your scanner has been connected. Congratulations! This completes the installation of your Canon imageCLASS MF269 printer to a Mac using a wireless connection. Now you're ready to print and scan. For more how-to videos, please visit our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.